Have you ever wondered why most sales presentations fail? It's because every persuasive presentation is an attempt to shift beliefs, and beliefs are hard to shift. It's because no belief ever exists in isolation. It's a messy bundle of complex connections comprised of stored facts, compound emotions, habits, trust factors, past relationships, and so much more. And it's not easy to influence a change at so many levels. But there are two things you can do to increase your probability of success in any persuasive presentation. They are: 1. Appeal to the analytical side of your audience with visual evidence. Present your offer like an expert lawyer presents her case. Build your argument step by step with clear, simple logic. Back every argument with visual evidence. Don't just say you're trustworthy. Show your certificate as visual proof. Don't just say your service levels are good. Display the complaint percentages and the average turnaround times. And of course, professional looking slides that reflect your brand promise is non-negotiable. If you want help there, check out our professionally animated PowerPoint templates bundle called Comprehensive All-in-One Bundle. The link is in the description box below. Second, appeal to the emotional side of your audience with stories. Nothing connects to the emotional side of your audience better than stories. If you want to be an influencer, you need to learn to be a good storyteller. A story need not be too complex. You describe a situation similar to the one faced by your customers. Show how you or one of your clients faced a similar situation. Tell them what you did to overcome the problem, and show how your life transformed as a result. Realize that when you describe the problem, the audience visualizes their own issues. When you show your struggle, they recall the pain they experienced. When you show them how you solved the issue, they experience the transformation themselves. Stories have the power to change beliefs. Try this in your next sales presentation and see the magic happen. If you want to join our 5-day free email training course called 25 Creative PowerPoint Ideas, you can click on the link in the description box below or on the link that you see right now on your screen. So go ahead, click on the link, join the course, and start taking your business presentation skills to the next level. I'll see you inside the course.